Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Let's begin with the video. First of all, open the link which is given below in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this shepherdsgsd.io. We have various options in the header section like home, about us, token purpose, sports shelter, dogs, how it works and contact us. I will tell you about each and every option. Be with me till the end of the video. A token with a purpose saving German Shepherds. Shepherds GSD token is more than a digital currency, it's a mission to provide food, care, and hope for the most surrendered dog breed, giving German Shepherds in shelters a real chance at a better life. Join our community by just clicking on Join our community, and you will be redirected to our Telegram channel GSD Shepherds. Join our community on Telegram to get latest updates about this. Shelter sport training and socialization community impact. Every token helps provide food, bedding, and medical care for German Shepherds in need. We found programs that prepare shepherds for adoption and forever homes. By joining us, you became part of a movement to protect and uplift this loyal breed. About Shepherds GSD token. A mission to protect the most loyal breed of dogs. Like our mission is to provide real, tangible support for these dogs while they wait for their forever homes. Through Shepherd's GST token, we aim to fund resources such as food, bedding, medicine, veterinary care, and social behavior training. Just click on read more to read more. Medical care total raised dog sporty 38 total raised 4156 USDT for vaccines. From vaccines to urgent treatments, we help fund veterinary care so these dogs can heal, recover, and thrive. Social behavior sport training and socialization and critical for adoption success. We support program that teach trust, confidence, and companionship. Food and nutrition. We provide quality food to ensure every German Shepherd in shelters receives the nourishment they need to stay healthy and strong. Comfort and bedding. Proper bedding and shelter essentials help German Shepherds rest safely and comfortably while they wait for a new home. Simple steps to support German Shepherds in need. Get involved, make an impact, and see the results. Like get involved, acquire the token, get GSD token by just clicking on GSD token. Purchasing Shepherd GSD token is your first step toward making a difference. Every token represents a share of support that goes directly into helping shelter dogs. Buy GSD on Pancake Swap. Every purchase helps shelter dogs. Join the community by just clicking on Get GSD token. You will be redirected to Uniswap. Like, enter your amount you want to swap, like 1 Ethereum, and you will get around 88 million, I think, or 889 million in exchange of 1 Ethereum. We will do USDT, like 1 USDT. For 1 USDT, oh, right. We can swap it through Ethereum like zero point 0.5, and we have to get GSD German. We have to just click on again this token GSD token. Let us check again GSD like zero point 0.5. For zero point 0.5 Ethereum, for a half Ethereum we will get around 879 million tokens, 879 million GSD tokens, right? Hope so you understand how to purchase. Just click on get GSD token and then connect your wallet to get tokens. Join the community, make an impact. Funds are allocated, shelter receives supports, and then see the results. Real world change from healthier meals to successful adoptions. The impact of your participation becomes visible in the lives of the dogs you help. Updates and transparency. We share updates, success stories, and progress posts so you know how exactly your involvement creates positive change. Transparency and impact. Here is our contact address. Here is our charity model. Blockchain based network ERC20. 10% of every transaction is automatically sent to partner dog shelters. You can also read the white paper by just downloading the white paper, and you can also see the roadmap. Here is staking. Staking means locking your tokens to support the network and earn rewards. It's safe, flexible, and helps grow the community. Stake now and earn 12.80% APR. Every contribution creates hope and healing, like supply, comfort, and security, fund medical care, provide nourishment, and many more, like sports, socialization, and training. we have various options available. Voice of sport, like you can see the reviews right here. My donation gave me peace of mind knowing it went directly to food and medical care for German Shepherds in need. Shepherd GSD token is doing something truly meaningful, helping a breed so often overlooked in shelters. Show heart and dedication. Together we can change the future for German. Enter your name, phone number, and get your answer from our team Shepherd GSD token. Here is the roadmap to our token. I already told you about it, I think. Yes. So here is our Telegram community. Join our Telegram community, our Twitter community. We are also available on Twitter. You can see right here GS Base. And here is our YouTube channel. Support us on our website, purchase GSD tokens. Also join our social platforms to get latest updates about GSD or German Shepherds. Hope you understand the video. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.